Dear learners, I am Dinesh Bhavne from Government Polytechnic Washing. Welcome you all. Today we are learning about ignition system. Ignition system is defined as system that enables to ignite air fuel mixture in a spark ignition engine. After completion of this module, learner will be able to state the requirements of ignition system, distinguish various major components and explain their roles in given ignition system, explain with the help of sketches construction working of ignition system, differentiate between battery and magneto ignition system. Role of ignition system. The ignition system is a source and means of initial spark required to start burning air fuel mixture in a spark ignition engine. Basically, conventional ignition systems are of two types: battery or coil ignition system and magneto ignition system. Both these conventional ignition system works on mutual electromagnetic induction principle. Therefore, they are also called as electromechanical ignition systems. Battery ignition systems generally used in four-wheelers, but nowadays more commonly used in button start two-wheelers. Whereas magneto ignition system is mainly used in kick start two-wheelers. Now pause the video and write down what are the requirements for the good ignition system. If you are written down, please continue the video. Ignition coil. Ignition coils works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It contains two sets of coils, fewer number of primary coils and more number of secondary coil. The innermost primary coil having 200 to 300 turns 20 gauge windings, whereas outer secondary coil having 40 gauge 21,000 turns winding. These secondary winding are placed always in the outer side to enable it for a better heat transfer. According to Faraday's law, whenever flux link with a coil changes, EMF induces in the coil. So 6 to 12 volt of primary coil can be increases to 20 to 30,000 volts in the secondary coil using this principle. Circuit breaker or contact breaker. It enables the change in the flux of a primary coil so that voltage can be produced in the secondary coil. It is also called as a triggering device. It is a mechanical electrical switch operated by a distributor cam lobe. The condenser is connected parallel to the contact breaker to avoid the arc between the cam of contact breaker. In multi-cylinder engine, spark should be occur in a particular sequence called as a firing order. Distributor directs the voltage to the spark plug of a particular cylinder in the sequence of a firing order. It also performs the change of a spark timing according to the operating condition. The distributor shaft is connected to the gears. Spark plug. every cylinder is fitted with a spark plug. They are used to produce electric spark to ignite air-fuel mixture in the SI engine. It has mainly three parts: outer shell, electrodes, and insulator. The gap between the central electrode and outer electrode should be adjusted with a feeler gauge to have a better spark and the performance. This is the schematic diagram of coil or battery ignition system. This system contains the major parts. These are battery that supplies the electricity to the system, ignition switch which turns on and off the system, ignition coil which strengthens the electricity to higher voltage, distributor which direct the electricity to particular spark plug, contact breaker which triggers the circuit to control the sparks to occur, spark plug wire which transmit the high voltage from distributor to the spark plug which connected to the individual cylinders which produces spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. This circuit can be divided in two parts: primary circuit and the secondary circuit. The primary circuit consists of battery, ammeter, ignition switch, primary windings, contact breaker and the capacitor. Whereas secondary circuit contains the secondary winding, distributor, high tension wires and spark plug. So working: when the ignition switch is closed and engine is cranked, the contact breakers closes and low voltage current passes to the primary circuit. When contact breakers rotate and opens, the magnetic field in the ignition coil collapses, result into induced current in the secondary coil of ignition coil. This high voltage is current brought to the center of a distributor rotor. Distributor rotates to supply the voltage to the spark plug in the firing order. So this is the schematic diagram of a magneto-ignition system. So magneto-ignition system is more or less similar to that of the battery oil coil ignition system. Only difference is here the magneto will produce and supply the currents to the primary winding. Remaining working is same. So only difference: in battery ignition system, the battery gives the voltage to the primary circuit, and in magneto ignition system, the magneto gives voltage to the primary circuit. So here is the assignment. Write down the differences between the battery and magneto ignition systems and reply me. Thank you.